As usually, I'm starting with a pencil sketch. And I follow with washes as if I was painting with watercolors. I have to make the edges of the cloud a little bit smoother. And I'm adding a little bit of thick white paint. And now following with the light green wash, I'm adding a little bit of yellow ochre to make it a little bit more warmer. And at this point I don't worry too much how it looks like. And at this point I'm starting to work with the thicker paint, building up those green hills in the background, or green mountain in the background. I'm leaving out the light spots, that's where the vegetation is missing. And at this point I have to add a little bit of white because it's quite dark. By adding white I'm trying to create lighter value, and lighter value should move it farther away from the viewer. And as you have noticed, I'm painting around what is supposed to be the trees in the middle distance, closer to the viewer. And what I'm painting now is the hill in the even farther away in the distance, so it should be even lighter and cooler. And now a little bit warmer color and the value, and this should obviously bring this kind of middle distance or closer distance closer to the viewer. At this point I'm still working with clean pigment, no white in it. And we need to be careful not to make it too dark, and it's not easy to judge when the gouache is still wet. Unfortunately, I switched off the camera and I missed a little bit when I started to paint the closed foreground. And now I have to mute those slight bits in the distance. The contrast was too much. And now I'm just playing with the details, darkening those dark places in the foreground. But to be honest, simplicity is the key. It sometimes looks better when it's simpler, not too much detail. Couple of light spots, just to make it a little bit more interesting. It should present the branches. And if you like this short demonstration, please like and subscribe. It would help me to create more content in the future.